Hello, everyone from New York. We were just here for a Brit Milah for Melly's twin, Melly and Sarah. Anyway, this week we talk about Parshas Mishpatim. What is about these laws? So first, God gave us the Torah, and He gave us all the laws, and then the next parsha is already talking about Mishpatim, which are laws between man and man. And those kind of laws are different than the laws that we can't understand, like an example in the Ten Commandments, Shabbos. What does Shabbos mean? Yes, we definitely know that it's a day of rest, that God rested after 6 days, but still, it's not really understandable to our mind. And all of these laws and mishpatim are understandable according to our mind. And God is telling us, I don't care what laws I'm giving you, even the ones that are between man and man and the ones that are logical, you should know that you need to keep those, not because they're logical, but because they are a present from God. And this is important for us to know. Going through this week, a difficult week. On one hand, it was very sad. On the other hand, we saw an amazing miracle. And look what happened. On one hand, we're getting back bodies of hostages, 2 little children, which is so sad. But at the same time, God has looked upon us and gave us an amazing miracle. 5 buses that were supposed to explode at 9 a.m. the next morning exploded at 9 p.m. with no one on them. Thank God they found all the bombs. And that is the biggest miracle. Could you imagine 5 buses blowing up at 9 a.m. in the morning? Could you imagine how many people were on those buses? That would have been a disaster, especially on Friday morning when all the people have off from work. And thank God that didn't happen. So yes, we do have miracles. And yes, we need to know that God is behind all of these miracles, and that God really cares about us. And that when we do all His commandments, we need to do it because He said so, not because we understand it. Have a wonderful Shabbos.